you know how to fight again, you know how to fight back, you know how to stand, because you have faced most difficult times in your life. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो ऑफ HK स्पीक्स। और सब बढ़िया? नहीं क्यों? तुम टिकटॉक थोड़ी हो गए। कोई बात नहीं, इस वीडियो के बाद सही हो जाएगा। ठीक, तो आज 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 हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसी चीज के बारे में, एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फीलिंग के बारे में। ठीक है, ये कुछ
आप सब कुछ समझ जाओगे पर आगे किसी को समझा नहीं पाए।
ऐसा है, कभी ना कभी तो आपने महसूस किया ही होगा। ये जो 10 शब्द है मेरे लिए सबसे कठिन रहे, तो आओ खोजने की कोशिश करते हैं ये क्यों है, कैसा है, वैसा है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ओके, सो व्हाट इज अटैचमेंट? Whenever you interact with someone and you feel a little bit free and relaxed around them, and via that feeling you establish a bond with them, that is known as attachment. Now देखो यार, अटैचमेंट है ना, बहुत तरह की हो सकती है। कबीर प्रीति वाली हो सकती है, रमेश सुरेश वाली हो सकती है, चिंकी मिंकी वाली हो सकती है, लेकिन हम यहाँ इस बारे में बात करना नहीं है। Here we are to talk about that everyone wants everyone, everybody wants somebody. Can a human survive alone? Okay, usually your answer would be yes, but I am asking abstractively. Is it possible to survive without any hope, expectation, attachment with somebody? Now, answer depends. Now, every man is either belongs to an attractive personality or repulsive personality. Okay, so now attractive personality. ठीक है, attractive होने के लिए क्या क्या मांगता है? क्या मांगता है भाई? Passionate in her dreams. Okay, hardworking with some fame and money, right? And what about being a repulsive personality? Same, hard work, passion, dreams, money. Now what is the difference? Okay, now देखो यार, just one reason, being a repulsive personality, you just have to disagree with every decision other people make. You need to think by own mentality, and automatically you will be diverted to the category that belongs to repulsive personality. क्यों? सिर्फ आप दूसरों की बात से सहमत नहीं कर रहे हो, आप अपना पॉइंट रख रहे हो, आपकी मेंटालिटी, आपकी थिंकिंग अलग है, इसलिए आप बन गए रिपल्सिव। अट्रैक्शन वाले भी कहीं नहीं गए भाई, वो घूम के आएंगे लेकिन वही लाइन में आएंगे, बिकॉज एट सम पॉइंट दोज पीपल आर गोना थिंक दैट no, I don't agree with this. No, I would like to do abstract. Everything here is abstract, right? Now, the one with detachful nature, right? Now, this person is my favorite because he or she knows that I don't have to attach myself or my feelings to someone that I can't live without her or him. They are just a little bit fussy. They are normal human beings, but they are just a little bit fussy choosing their friends and the person they want to be. They are not aliens or someone from the another world. That detachful nature is important because the world out here hates you at every moment of success. If you are with them, it's all right. If you go ahead of them, they start hating you, and that's important. And of course, I'm one of those guys. I don't attach myself to someone at that extent that I'm like, તો देखो ભાઈ, તમને ફાવે છે તો રહેવાનું, નહીં તો તમારી મરજી. Now, expectations and attachment. Okay, simple example में समझाऊंगा, ठीक है? मेरा बर्थडे है, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है या मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, राइट? अब मेरा बर्थडे है तो मैं किसी से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा? विद अ नॉर्मल गाय, ओके, अ बर्थडे विश, मे बी अ स्टोरी अबाउट मी, हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रदर, ओके, बट व्हाट अबाउट माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, द वन विथ हुम आई अटैच वे टू मच? भाई 15-20 स्टोरियाँ चढ़ा देगा, क्या पता गिफ्ट ही भेज दे, पार्टी एंड ऑल. एंड इफ ही और शी लेट्स मी डाउन, लाइक 15 की जगह 5 ही स्टोरी डाली है, सही से विश नहीं किया, ना मिले है. सो नाउ माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू अटैचमेंट. अब एक्सपेक्टेशन यहाँ पे चकनाचूर हो गई. अब उसका असर दिख रहा है अटैचमेंट पे. अटैचमेंट मेरी हो जाएगी थोड़ी सी कमजोर. लाइक आई वुड बी दैट रिपल्सिव गाय, आई एम कन्वर्टिंग टू दैट रिपल्सिव गाय, एंड दैट टू. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग, I guess people are having some misconceptions about comparing the attachment, expectation and all thing with the age group. I guess that's not it. Age group, okay, that would be a little bit more in 18 to 25, but I guess age is not concerned when the people you hating is concerned. जब तक लोग आपसे नफरत कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं? देखो, नफरत दो ही चीज़ों से होती है, या तो कोई पर्सनल दुश्मनी है, या फिर वो आपकी बराबरी नहीं कर पा रहे. ठीक है, तो इससे एज मैटर नहीं करता. एज कोई भी हो, अगर आप कॉन्स्टेंटली आगे बढ़ रहे हो, अगर उनकी मेंटालिटी ऐसी है, आपकी मेंटालिटी उनसे मैच नहीं कर रही है, उनको आपके रिपल्सिव नेचर से फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, नाउ दैट विल लीड. एंड नाउ विल कंक्लूड द वीडियो विद 3 क्वेश्चन ऑफ माइंड. I posted a story about 4 to 5 days ago that whatever the question are, just write it down and I'll select my favorite 3. Now there were about 25 to 26 question, but I have narrowed it down of course to 3, the best 3. So बाकी सब माफ करियो बे. Well, you can choose as you want, but your wants are chosen for you. All the paths we take, every choice we make is guided by our deepest desires, right? And it's always led by our actions, every single one of them. And doesn't matter how unimaginable and difficult they seem, they always happens. It's just on us. Literally, if we knew how things would end, why would we even choose that path? Would we even choose that if we know that this things is gonna happen again and again? Can we even escape our fate? It's just, it doesn't matter how much efforts you put in. What's gonna happen is gonna happen. You can't do anything about that. It's just your actions and your deeds leads your life to such an extent of you being either of 2 personalities, attractive or repulsive. I guess we are attracted to dark, just as moths are attracted to light. And that's how we'll end up, because we started from there.
जियो और जीले दो ना.
I guess, ma'am, our thinking is just shaped by dualities. We just think of 2 ways, black and white, light and dark, right? But the thin line you are talking about, that's the life. It's too narrow to walk on. Of course, that's difficult. No one gave us a manual of life. We have to decide which path we are on. And I would state 2 lines of a series. We don't want things to change. We don't want anything to change. But we know that's naive. That's not possible. Life keeps revolving, whether we like it or not. And life will hurt you. And of course it will. It will hit you again and again, as hard as possible. Eventually, many people stop trying. But you are not one of them. You know how to fight again. You know how to fight back. You know how to stand, because you have faced most difficult times in your life. Everyone has his own struggle, his own pain. It's just you are not aware of yourself, your capability of fighting back and striking down every single person you are possible in your life. The moment you realize this, no one can beat you. and you will be the warrior by defeating yourself every single time. आते हैं